Get ready, my friends, there will be a lot of red. This is the newly released OnePlus 6 Red Edition, and take my word for it, it's the sexiest OnePlus device to date. It's uncompromising, in-your-face kind of red. No matter what background you put it against, it's still gonna stand out. OnePlus went an extra mile this time to adopt the kind of paint that's extra glossy. But what's so special about this paint is that it actually yields different colors in different environments. I'm no paint expert, right? So excuse my uneducated vocabulary. I'd say under strong direct sunlight, it turns almost into this shimmering goldish orange. And in a dimmer environment, it becomes this sexy and mysterious dark red. Now in reality, it gets way more complicated than that. When you introduce factors such as artificial light and the different angles where the light sources are coming from, you get a whole dynamic range of different red colors. My colleague Lily and I have been playing with this phone for the past couple of days. We really want to capture the sexy nuances this phone delivers. So enough talking, let's jump right into the video. The metallic rings on the back also walk on the fine line between silver and gold. It's actually kind of hard to tell what color it actually is, which all adds to the phone's, I guess, color shifting, whimsical personality. Now you see, getting a OnePlus phone had never been about design for me. It's always been about performance and value. But this right here feels different. The regular Midnight Black Edition looks simply dull if put side by side. This one comes with a much stronger personality, and I have to say it's almost like a fashion statement. I'm just not gonna pretend fashion is my thing, but you get what I mean. Now, if you've been thinking about getting a OnePlus 6 but never did, I would for sure recommend this sexy red version. And just why not? The price of this phone remains literally unchanged from the regular Midnight Black Edition. And mind you, the same tech specs. If you're interested in knowing more about the performance of this phone, we did a series of tests and reviews which will be in the description below. Be sure to check, including the legendary Coca-Cola test. Start. Go, 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 go. Smash that like button to help us make more videos, and remember, the best smartphone is the one that suits your need. This is from thePandaily. Until next time.